Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Magic Maths. Today's topic is fraction. So let us start. So in this video I will explain you what is a fraction. So a fraction is an equal part of any object when we divide it. So fraction is an equal part of any object when we divide it. So suppose here I'm taking a shape, it's a circle, and I'm dividing it into two parts, two equal halves. So both the halves are the fraction of this whole object. And always remember, a fraction is always smaller than the whole object. A fraction is always smaller than the whole object. So how to write the fraction? Fraction always consists of two parts. So we put a line over here. First is the upper part, then the bottom part. So we write a fraction as this. So how to write this as a fraction? First of all, we count the total number of parts, 1 and 2. So we write the total number of parts at the bottom, and then suppose we are shading one part, and now we have to write the shaded part. So only one part is shaded, so we will write 1 over here. So a fraction is the formula of the fraction is number of parts shaded or number of parts taken away, we will write on top, and the total number of parts we will write at the bottom. So the top part is called numerator and the bottom part is called denominator. A fraction always consists of a numerator and a denominator. So when we divide a fraction in two parts, each part is called one half of the other. And when we divide a fraction in three parts, each part is called 1/3 of the whole object. Suppose here is, again I'm taking a circle and I'm dividing this into three parts, 1, 2 and 3. So each part is 1/3 of the whole object, and we will write it as this, 1/3. If I'll shade one part and total parts are 3, so the total number of parts we'll write at the bottom, denominator, and the one part which I have shaded, or if you'll take one part away, that is called the numerator. We write it on the top and it is called the numerator. And if we divide any object in four parts, four equal parts, then each part is called 1/4 of the whole object, or quarter. It is also called quarter of the whole object. So the definition of fraction is number of parts shaded, or I'm writing here taken away, upon total number of parts. So we'll write fraction always like this, number of parts shaded or taken away upon total number of parts. So this is the numerator and this is the denominator. So I hope you understood this. Keep practicing.